Market is coming back to the downside as analyzed in my immediate last video right here on the channel, where I talk about market coming back to the downside on Bitcoin, as you can see right now, and Ethereum is following the same pattern. So in today's video, I'll be talking about this and what you should expect in the next coming days. And I'm also going to show you a trade we took on the VIP signal group from this very setup. So watch this video till the very end. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, and technical analysis. Right here on the Bitcoin chart, I did this analysis that was 2 days ago, and I said market is going to come back down to this very area. We took this trade on the VIP signal group right here. You can see right here, this trade, this is futures margin BTC USD, and this was a short position, and the entry was 66,250 to 6,600. So around this very area. Okay, so if I take my short position too from this very point, which was 66,250, around this area, okay, and this very point, and our target was just at this very area of 63,800. Okay, so our target was around this very point, and our stop loss was at this very area, as you can see, 67,350. so our stop loss was at 67,350 at this very point. Okay, so this is where we entered the trade, and this was the target. If you look at this very trade, this was over 3.59. okay, so it's 1 to 3. okay, 1 to 3 risk reward, which was a very sweet trade to take from this very point. So if you look at this, market actually come back down aggressively and hit our target at this very point, as you can see right here. This was our target right here, and right now market seems to have reduced momentum from this very point. So the question is, what is the market going to do next? Very importantly, so that we can reposition ourselves to take another trade, either to the upside or stay downward. So pay attention. So right now, these targets have already hit at this very point. We also took a trade right here on Sol. Okay, this Sol trade was a buy position, to the upside, and we have already closed half and moved LSL to break even, as you can see right here as well. So if you look at the Bitcoin chart right now, if I remove this a little bit, and then if I move this very important level from here, market enter this area and then come back to the downside after a failure to create a new high. See it, market move all the way upward. It was making progressive new highs. Okay, if you look at it, market move up, okay, new high, come back down, a new high, come back down, a new high. And like I told you, all of this is considered as one important impulsive move. And if you don't know how to do proper market structure analysis, then you should learn that, because it's very important to your success in trading. Then from here, this was where we have the first fail swing on this very chart. See, market move all the way, impulse, and market come back down and then fail to create a new high. So this was a fail swing, and that was a point of interest that you should begin to look for short opportunity, from which we did in the VIP signal group right here. And on the trade right here as well, if you look at it, I talked to you about this very area, that it is a level of supply. Okay, supply level downward, and from this area as well, we see a very huge supply from here down to the downside. So from this very area, it was a critical point to look for a short position from anywhere on the chart other than this very area. So what you should be expecting right now is a reduced momentum. So from this very point is very important. This is a very right area at this very point. Okay, this is where I am expecting market to come into, and then we could see a possible low. Okay, why? The reason is because anytime market move impulse and retrace, the last point, okay, where we see the retracement drop into before the next move is this very area on the chart. So market will come back down a little bit to collect liquidity from this very point before actually moving to the upside. Very important, okay? So we have to pay attention to this very level. So market have capacity right now of coming back to the downside gradually and go down a little bit below this very point at this very area, okay, before we will see that very move to the upside. Now if the market go below this, then that means we are going to see the market come back into this very area. So pay attention to market crashing back to the downside, because the possibility exists, but that is not what I am paying attention to. I am only paying attention to the market coming back down and then have a spike below this very level right here of interest before we see the market begin to move up again for the next move upward. Okay, so this is what I am looking at right now. So now is not the right time to buy, and also right now is not also the right time to sell. It is a waiting period for me for the market to properly set itself before I will then join the next move upward. Okay, so you have to also understand that all your confirmation in your strategy must actually obey before you can take any trade. Okay, so this is very important right now on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. I am expecting that this market come back down a little bit into this area and grab liquidity from here, and then we'll begin to see the market move to the upside. And on ETH, you see the market move from this very area. From ETH chart, we see that this very point is an important level of supply. Market come back to the downside, supply, market come back to the downside, and that is where the market move into in the past from this very area. Okay, so this very point and this very area, market come back to the downside. One thing very important on the ETH chart right here is this is where the market come back into this very retracement before moving upward. But something very important here is that this was the last point, okay, before market move upward. And as you can see, market has dropped down and go below this very area. And what that means is market should have reduced momentum, okay, before moving to the upside. So this is very important right now. Another point I am paying attention to as well is this very area of important support. This very point is very, very crucial on the chart as well. So market have capacity as well of coming back to the downside from this very area where the market is right now, come back down a little bit before it moves upward. So all of this needs confirmation, okay? So from here, market can go upward, and then from this very point, market can drop a little bit into this area before the final move to the upside. So you need to pay attention closely to your chart. This is what I am expecting right now. I am not expecting the market to go below this very area of support. The possibility exists, that's fine, but that is not what I am expecting. That's not my expectation, because when you do technical analysis, you must allow the chart to play along with your expectation. If the chart or the market did not go along with your expectation, then that means you should wait for the next move, okay, and follow what you have in your strategy. Very, very important. So this is what I am explaining right now on the ETH USD 4-hour chart, just like this on Bitcoin as well. So this is very important, guys. So if you want to take another trade, which should be a buy opportunity, you must have to wait for this very reduced momentum to end in the market before the next move upward. And I'm also going to update you guys on this very channel, so stay tuned. Okay, support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for all the crypto videos, educational content, and technical analysis. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin, all of the links in the description of this very video, and claim your bonuses when you use that affiliate link down below. Thanks for watching to this video, and I will see you in the next video.